Okay, so we're gonna scare Miss Vivian. She doesn't particularly like it when I do this, so we'll see if she gets all bug-eyed. What are you looking at? You're not even looking at me. Turn that head over here. Hey, check this out, Vivian. Now you're not doing it, are you? What do you think of that? Huh? What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Do you think that's funny? Do you think that's funny stuff? See, I think that's funny stuff. See, Mommy being goofy. Goofy, Mommy. Hey, Vivian. Are you sleepy? Hey. 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 Hi, cutie. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, you want me to blow again? Huh? I think she's trying to imitate me. Say, how your tongue go like that, Mommy? I don't know how your tongue goes like that. It don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense. It just don't make no sense. No sense at all. No